Okay, I gotta move over. We got.
Turn the light on too. Put this on Facebook. My mom's like, what the hell? No, nice and pretty. No, stop it.
We give Kitty a bear.
Stop it.
He got pissed on it. You're gonna need a cup or something. Oh, Kitty gonna be clean as fudge. Oh, Kitty not liking it whatsoever.
Stop it.
Oh, poor Kitty. Oh, Kitty. We love you, Kitty.
Stop it. Stop it. Not that hot.
Oh, Kitty getting a bath. Oh, Kitty. He's gonna smell all sorts of
My
fruity.
butthole look clean?
It looks like it's bloody. Let's back up.
Stop it. No. Stop it.
Do it quickly. He's not liking it whatsoever.
He may not like it, but he's going to get it anyways. He needed it. Stop it.
Oh, Kitty not liking whatsoever. Oh, Kitty! My Kitty getting a bath.
I said stop it. Now wait. You're not done yet. Get in there.
Oh, Kitty! Oh, he got it. My phone is wet.
Give me a towel, will you?
I don't have a towel, extra towel.
Stop that.
Want
Not done yet. Quit.
use your white towel?
Yeah.
You're gonna smell all sorts
Are you
of.
going to stick your head in there while I'm taking a piss? Quit. Get back here. But you won't stick your head in there again while I'm taking a piss, will you?
Oh.
Sweet. Don't spend more. Stop it. Not done yet.
Get his
Stop
head
it.
better.
Yeah, I got his head already.
Oh, Kitty.
Ah, what a mess, Kitty. Here.
Oh, Kitty. We loved you.
You're getting that once a week. I don't care if you like it or not. We gotta take baths around here. You do too. The licking ain't working. Good Lord, you a wet kitty, aren't you?
Walk around with it. That is how you give a kid